Hi everybody, Grady here at Uncle Sweetie's Model Works. Today's going to be my official entry into the Psychedelic 60s group build with 60s Rule Channel. Um, you may have guessed that I was going to pick this one. This is the Revell Monogram 65 Chevy Lowrider. I'm going to do the paint work probably pretty close to box stock. I like the graphics over the gold. Alright. I didn't realize this was a flip-top box. I do not like flip-top boxes, but it is what it is. I'm going to go through a quick unbox. Oh my, there's parts everywhere. Let's start with that. I should have done this before, but I didn't. So here we are, and I don't want to get out of frame. So here we are. Let's start with the body. I love these old Impalas. Oh. Yeah, looks like the Gradester is going to have to do a little yeah, looks like Uncle Sweetie's going to have to do a little triage. Got some bent A-pillars. That's fine. Other than that, it looks pretty good. The panel lines aren't very well defined at all. Yeah, we've got a little cleanup here and there. It's got a molded-in headliner, if you can see that, with the kind that has the ribs in it. I think I may stick to that. Unfortunately, it also has ejector pin marks in there. Alright. There we are. And I have no idea what's in this kit. I know it's full detail. Oh my. Come on, get out of there. Alright, this kit has flash. And plenty of it. Holy cow. Alright, so we've got engine halves. Exhaust manifolds, lots of flash in there. Steering wheel, wheel backs, engine pulleys, brake pedals, steering column, hood hinges, door cards, which are nicely detailed. There's some nice detail in there. Some more engine parts, chassis pan, seats. That looks like there's parts that are broken off, so I have to look for broken off parts in the bag. Yeah, this kit has a lot of flash. Oh, crap. Don't drop it on the floor, Grady. Alright, next one. Wait a minute, let me go back to that, because that is not a chassis pan, is it? No, that is part of the interior tub, also complete with flash. Alright. So you've got interior pan, I guess, and door cards. That's wonderful. Alright, we've got a chassis here. What do we have on the bottom of the chassis? We've got built-in frame. We do not have molded-in exhaust. We've got positive pinholes for the suspension. Fender wells. Not looking too bad. We've got a drive shaft. We've got front suspension, valve engine parts, more front suspension. Kind of looks like we might have steerable wheels, but I'm not sure. Rear suspension springs, AC lines. I'll be damned. More front suspension, rear axle, more springs. Oh, okay. We've got one set for stock build, one set for a Lowrider build, I'm pretty sure. Let's get this bag out of here. Next time I'm going to be more prepared. Alright, we have a one-piece dual exhaust. Seat backs. Seat backs, radiator, engine parts, looks like shocks over here, lots of little engine parts along the way. Standalone battery. Cool beans. We don't have the 5 mile long battery. Looks like rear end. Have our hood. Got some texture under there with the ribs and the insulation that's under a lot of these. We've got separate firewall. I really like that a lot. You can pick the detail out a lot better. Kind of wish I hadn't picked this one. Because, well, it's 2 months. I might have time. And then, of course, the, what's that called? The radiator support. Yeah, I don't remember. Anyway, radiator support. Let's see what else is in the bag. We've got reds in the bag. And it looks like the reds are not. Oh my. Yeah, the frame for the reds. And the reds are in the bag. There are those tri-tail lights for where the older Impala is. See what else I've got in here. Not sure. Looks like another rear end housing. For right now, I'm going to leave all of it in there. What do we have here? Oh, dash, two-piece dash. Gonna look something like that. Nicely detailed, I guess. I'm gonna leave those in there. What do we have here? We've got gold chrome. So I've got, okay. Got gold wheels, gold spoke wheels, Lowrider, gold steering wheel, and the gold knockoffs for the Lowrider wheels. We've got one set of tires, it looks like. And here we got glass, which I'm going to leave in the plastic. Front windshield. Rear windshield? Rear window, okay. Sides. Headlights. Light covers. A couple other little things in there. I don't know what they are. And alternate suspension. Those look pretty high. So I'm going to guess this is the Lowrider suspension. With a set of wheel backs again. Maybe they have special wheel backs for the Lowrider part. Oh wow. This chrome tree is kind of phenomenal. The detail on those stock wheels / hubcaps, I've opened a few kits in my time, even though I haven't built in a long time. That is phenomenal. The chrome part of the steering wheel ring, that's a nice detail. The front and rear bumpers, holy crap. Console, chrome knockoffs. I'm going to have to read the instructions for that. Windshield wipers, this might be an antenna. Not sure what that is. Center console. Yeah, lots of little... And it's good looking chrome too. It's not... It's not that super bright toy chrome. But man, those are some detailed parts. And the chrome looks good on it. Alright. Here are my Lowrider decals. Oh, and they are yellow. Go figure. Alright, so means the first thing I'm going to do is find a nice sunny window. And I'm not sure I have. Yeah, I've got one. I've got one or two. And see if I can get those. But it's the paper, it's not the backing. So, you know, that's one thing. I'll still set them out there. I'm also probably going to... one of the first things I do is give these a coat of Tamiya Clear gloss, just to there we go, it's right on there. Let me get it up close. Copyright Revell Monogram 1997. 97, 22, 5. These are 25 years old. I don't think a coat of clear would hurt them at all to help them hold together, and that's a lot of decals too. That's gonna be fun. And instructions. Let me go through this real quick. I just want to look through, see if I see a couple of things, what kind of instructions. Oh, pages of instructions. Alright, engine, blah, blah, blah. Okay, that part that got left in the bag was an air conditioner compressor, one of them old, great big ones. And it looks like we do have first, second. Maybe I didn't notice that. Okay. That one chassis assembly, 148. So why do I have... I'll have to look at these closer later. We've got exhaust first. Gotcha, because those are halves. Wheel assembly. Well, that's not very clear, huh? Did I see seats? I'll have to go through. Okay, now I see what that is. That's the chrome. I think it might have been a stereo speaker in the back. Dash assembly, firewall. Firewall attaches. Oh wow. Okay. Firewall attaches to the interior tub and helps attach the dashboard. Cool. Body assembly. Pretty detailed instructions. 2 different radiators, battery, core support, exterior details, interior body assembly, exterior body assembly, and decals. Yikes. One side, 2 side. I guess that's a choice on the yeah, that's a choice on what goes on the deck lid. What do we got there? We've got one that's a double image with the pyramid with it hopping. And then we've got one that is, which I like, kind of like the one that's hopping, but I also like this one. Doesn't look like it's of the actual car because it doesn't have gold rims, but hey, whatever. Anyway, that is all of it. I think, yeah, I'm going to go off camera and go back through some things. And, goodness, I'll have to get that body, that A-pillar heated up and mushed back into shape. But I'm going to enjoy this. I got 2 months to do it. Group build goes to February 28th, I believe. Thanks for joining me, guys. As always, give me a like, give me a subscribe, leave a comment for me. Tell me what you think of the kit. Tell me what you think of the choice. Tell me, tell me what you think my chances are of getting that A-pillar fixed on that body. And as I say, keep learning, keep growing. I'm going to learn how to do plastic work on bodies in this build. Thanks for joining me. See ya.